Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you makeup on my mom. Hi. She's a little camera shy, so she's not going to be talking much. I'm going to be showing you how I do makeup on clients and on someone a little more mature with dry skin. If you guys want to keep watching, and don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you guys, let's get started. The most important step when it comes to doing makeup on mature skin is the skin prep, especially on someone like my mom who has dry skin. You want to make sure their skin is completely hydrated. So here I'm using the Embryo Lace Moisturizer so that it hydrates her skin and plumps it. And then I'm going to add the Glowtopia oil from Madison Beauty, and this will add an extra step of hydration and glow to the skin before the makeup application. When someone has rosacea or acne or just gets a little red easily like my mom, I add a green corrector so that it cancels out the redness and will neutralize the skin tone before I apply the foundation. Then to cancel out any darkness on her skin, I'm using a yellow corrector underneath her eyes, and I'm going to use it on her dark spot. She has one dark spot under her eye that she doesn't like, so I'm covering that up. Before applying eyeshadow, I'm starting off by priming the eyelids with the primer potion, and this will ensure that the eyeshadow won't be creasing throughout the day. For eyeshadow, I'm using the matte palette from the KKW Beauty, and I'm just adding the brown shade to the whole crease and eyelid and just dusting it all around and making sure I'm blending it good. And I'm kind of doing it in a V shape so that I can lift her eyes and not droop it down, because she kind of has a droopy eye, so I always do it upwards in like a V shape to lift the eye. Next, I'm taking this darker brown shade and I'm adding it to the outer corner of the eyes and towards the lash line, kind of where I would apply the wing liner, so that I can lift her eye and add more definition and depth into her crease. Next, I'm adding some black eyeshadow to her lash line, and this just helps me know where I want to put the liner afterwards, so it's kind of like a guide before I apply the liner. And now I'm going to do a wing liner with the Dose of Colors eyeliner. And it's very important to curl lashes before applying false lashes so that it looks natural and blends in with the falsies. And even though I'm going to apply false lashes, I still like to add mascara to the natural lashes before I apply the lashes. And then once I apply the false lashes, I like to add another layer of mascara to connect the real and the falsies together. For foundation, I'm using the Face Atelier in the shade 2, and I love this foundation. I use it on my clients because it's very hydrating and I just love the coverage it gives, but yeah, it still looks really lightweight and luminous. Especially on mature skin, this is a perfect foundation. And after I apply the foundation here, I'm just going in with some more yellow corrector underneath the eyes, and this just helps brighten the area a little more. For concealer, I'm using the LC Cosmetics concealer. I use this concealer myself as well as on my clients because it's really hydrating and still gives a really good decent coverage, and I love it especially on mature skin because it's not so mattifying and dry. After blending out the concealer, I always ask my clients to look up so that I can powder and set the under eye before it starts to crease. And on mature skin, especially if they have dry skin, you don't want to over powder or do baking. You just want to add a light dust of powder so that it keeps the makeup lasting longer throughout the day and doesn't melt. And when it comes to bronzing, you could do cream products on mature skin especially, and if they have dry skin, but I personally think if you do it the right way and you hydrate their face really well, you can still get away with a powder contour or bronzing like I'm doing over here. I did not do any cream products because I feel like the more products you add, it still does cake up the face. So whether you're doing powder or cream, I think there's a way of applying it to keep it from looking cakey, whether you do cream or powder. On clients, I love to mix different blush shades and just customize a blush for my client. Everyone always says don't add a lot of shimmer or glitter to mature skin, but when it comes to a little bit of highlighter or a little bit of a shimmer, I think if you do it the right way and you don't go crazy with it, it still looks stunning and it actually makes mature skin look more glowy and youthful than people assume. I think that you can get away with adding some shimmer and highlighter to mature skin if you do it properly. After lining her lips, I'm going in with a Dose of Colors matte liquid lipstick in the shade Truffle. And this shade has been stunning on many of my clients that I've used it on, whether they have medium to dark skin tone or light skin tone. It's been my favorite shade lately. And after applying the matte lipstick, I'm going in with a Persona gloss in the shade Peach onto the center of the lips, and this adds an extra hydration and sheen to the center of the lip. And it's very important to set the makeup, especially on mature skin, afterwards so that the makeup can melt into the skin and look dewy. And I don't know how to fix my mom's hair. I don't do hair, so we just try to clip it back and make it look as pretty as we can. And this is the final look. If you guys liked it, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.